currently 7 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since like 5:30, taking Jackson to the bathroom. Ryan's just gone to the showers to freshen up. And we've got a bit of a busy day today because Ryan leaves in, what's the date today? Ryan has to catch a bus tomorrow to head to Athens to fly out the next day to go to Australia. We arrived when all the port control and customs and immigration was closed. So today that's what we gotta do. We have to go to all the different authorities and get checked in. Ow, Finn! A little brat. He just climbed up my leg. He's so cute though. Oh, that's a sexy look. Do you think you're a rock star?
You know what? Why don't you just sit there and go, you look really cool.
Turn around, look at me. Oh, you look really cool.
So.
It's officially time to pull out the winter clothes. We've held on as long as possible. It's officially cold, so, and raining. It's time. I pulled out some stuff. Time to pull out the rest. Very carefully. It's like saying hello to an old friend. After 6 months of wearing bathing suits basically every single day. It's weird to be wearing real human clothes. I'm going home to Canada for Christmas. It's gonna be cold. I haven't been home in like 2 years. I'm really excited because I'll get to see my niece, who's changed so much since I've seen her last, which makes me kind of sad, but I'm really excited to see her.
Or euro, or whatever. €1,000 back, is it?
Finny! Oh!
Hey. Alright, let's walk in this thunder and lightning. The boat's a mess too.
Oh, hi, baby! Oh, she's the nicest, chubbiest girl! You're just such a chubby girl! I feel like she must have babies. She's fat and has babies.
We should give her a bath. Are they mats?
Yeah.
We should cut them out.
It's got like
hey, let's see your eye.
Very dirty girl.
We're gonna give you a bath, okay? Not today.
You like bum slaps. But see how well fed they are? They're all chubby.
Yeah.
You're a chubster. You're solid.
She's like grey, but she should be white.
Yeah. She looks like she's been around the block.
Yeah. So I'm going home for a month and I'm doing some work because we need to get some stuff done to the boat. Then I'm coming back. Brittany's going home to see her family for Christmas because she hasn't seen them in a while, except for her dad who just left. And then we're going to spend a month here sorting the boat out, and then we've got to lift it up, put it on the hard for a bit, and do some work. So that's what we're going to do. Now, the reason we're staying here is because the weather is shit, and it's going to be a few months of just work. So it's worked out quite well actually. Just so you know, if you check into Preveza from a non-EU boat, you have to go to the police station, which is near the bus station. So from the marina, you gotta go to the police station, you get your passport stamped, then you gotta go to the port police, pay your entry into Greece, which is €15, and then you've got to go to customs and immigration to get your cruising logs from customs and immigration, go back to the port police, and get your DEPCA or your cruising tax sorted, which we're not going to pay, but we still got to go back there, and then we're going to go, because we're not paying the cruising tax, we go back to customs immigration, I believe, to drop it off to them, and they keep the boat certificate and the cruising tax, cruising log and that. So it's a bit of a effort, isn't it? So here we go. Let's get some food first. I'm just following Google Maps, Brittni.
Where the hell are we?
Oh,
what are we doing?
We're getting done. You're gonna hit that car, your umbrella.
Are the days of our lives. Singing in the rain.
Oh, Brittni. I'm getting soaked here. What the hell?
Oh my god.
Oh, this sucks. Can I hold it?
No, because you're too tall.
This is a bigger one.
Why am I not even under it?
I've got like running shoes on. Soaked. So it's a good day. You giving up on the umbrella?
Yeah.
Can I have it then? Completely soaked. We're back. We've dried off. So it just got worse and it just rained so much more, didn't it? So yeah, it sucked, but now we're back and we're dry. Brittany's giving me bread for lunch. Jackson, hey mate, do you want some bread? Do you want some bread, boy?
It's hot.
Hey, hey. Hey.
Now to warm up, I've made a hearty beef stew.
So we got a beef stew to warm up. So yeah, that walk sucked. From the police station, which is ages away, I went back to the Port Police. Actually, it was a good walk because we got a bus ticket too. I got a bus ticket to go to the airport tomorrow, which is good because I fly out. We did all that. Then we went to the Port Police. They stamped my crew list. I went down to customs. They told me I need to get Taipei online and do that and then come back. So I got to do that. And I'm going to go back there tomorrow, they said. Yeah, that's where I'm at. So tomorrow morning, I'll go back and do the Taipei, get my transit log. Then I'll go to the Port Police and hand that in. And that's it. Then we're checked in officially. But yeah.
It's only taken us a week.
We've been here for like 4 days, haven't we? Been here for 4 days and we're still not checked into Greece. That's a bit funny, isn't it? Alright. I'm gonna have my lunch. Look at the cat playing with Jackson's ear. Do you want something over there? What do you want over there, boy?
Are you gonna miss us?
No.
Yes, you are.
Ah!
Oh, gross.
Hey, buddy.
Ryan's leaving us for a couple weeks and we're all sad. What are we gonna do? Just me and the two boys.
Hey, buddy, you gonna miss me? Jackson's gonna miss me. I'm gonna go home and work and make some money so we can fix the rigging. You right there? Can you stop filming my schlong? Watch out, Brittni. It might poke out the bottom of my shorts. Yeah.
Is it weird that you're going back to like normal life civilization?
What's normal, Brittni?
Like a house.
You know what? I've never haven't brushed my hair since high school. No, probably even primary school. And now I gotta brush my hair and stuff. You know what though? You know what I'm excited to go back to though?
Your mum's home cooking?
No. This is gonna sound really funny, but I'm excited to
flush toilet paper?
Yeah, that too. No, I'm gonna be excited.
Have hot showers?
Yeah, that too.
Use as much water as you want?
That too. I'm excited to
Not worry about your house blowing away?
No, I'm just excited to go back to the city life we lived in. And I'm gonna go back actually as a different person.
Look at this dude. Just chilled out, living his life. What are you doing? And Ryan Weepers is doing his last jobs for today before he flies out.
Yeah, cracking some hip hop, some R&B, gangster.
What are you doing?
I'm dancing gangster. You don't want to be on, get me out of there. Yep. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Yeah. Would you leave the hell in on there? Probably not. Catch. Ah, you're a good boy. You're gonna miss your dad, aren't you? There you are. How are you having fish? Fish chewing. Oh, Finn's got that one. Okay. Alright, fed the boys. See you, bud. Alright, kisses. See you, mate. I'm off for my 8-hour bus ride. 8-hour bus ride to Athens. 5-hour flight to Abu Dhabi and 14.5-hour flight to Brizzy. It's sad leaving the boat. This is really tough. And you, of course.
Oh, that's all you care about is the boat.
It's just...
Not Jackson Thinner, right?
A free dodgy passerelle.
Alright, let's go.
I'm running late.
That's classic Weepers.
It is actually. We got 20 minutes to get there. It's like a 45-minute walk. This dog hits the camera.
He's gonna bite it.
Oh, he knocks over.
Oh, he's so cute. I have to get this on.
Hello.
Ryan's trying to set up a camera. And this dog.
Hey. I had to catch a bus, buddy. Hold it like this. See you, my love.
He's so cute.
I'll see you.
Hello.
Yeah, guy's beeping at me. Definitely beeping at me. Alright, see ya.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you too.
Say bye to Jackson Finn for me.
I will. There's a car coming. There's a car coming. Run! You're an idiot. And just like that, there was one. Oh, it's a bit sad coming back without him. Where's Dad?
So we're about 3 hours into our trip. You guys said there's about 2.5 hours left, but we got a toilet break. It's pretty much just a petrol station. Now I'm gonna go take a leak. Everyone else is. So I just got off the bus. Now I gotta find the airport bus.
When you dream, do you see beautiful rays of light shimmering, guiding you through the night? I know it feels like the night's getting longer and light is harder to find. I promise I'll always be there. I'll remind you when you close your eyes. If they sent for me tomorrow, even if I leave right now, you'll find comfort there in knowing whenever in doubt, you can find me when the lights turn out.
Sounds like it's hailing out. Yeah, it is. It's hailing.
Even now, laying down hundreds of miles away, I can see you and me like it was yesterday.
Another one.
I know it's not the same, but I'm still behind you every step of the way. Look in yourself and I'll be there. I can guide you. All the love is the same. If they sent for me tomorrow, even if I leave right now, you'll find comfort there in knowing whenever in doubt, you can find me when the lights turn out.
So went out for dinner last night. Excuse me, you two. Oh. So as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, went out for dinner last night with Brian, Dan, and Jackie and their 2 kids. Brian's been coming to Preveza for years with his boat over winter, so he had a restaurant he suggested us to go to. It's called Steki here in Preveza, and it is so good. They all know him. They're like all besties with Brian. So when we walked through, he was like a celebrity walking through the restaurant, everyone high-fiving him and shaking his hand. But we had a really good night. And Jackie and Dan, it's really cool. They're traveling with their family. They're a full-time travel family. They literally have a backpack each, and that's what they travel around with. And I think they have a blog and an Instagram, and they take really cool photos of their travels. Do you mind?
Hey mate.
Harry. Hey, buddy. Good morning. I'm your uncle. Hey. He's like, who's this man in my house? Hey, you don't remember me because you were so young when I left. You're still so young. Like and subscribe. It's got hair in my face. Jackson. Jackson says like and describe.
Describe.
Like and subscribe. He's really heavy. He's tricking me. Like